How much time does it ideally take to build trust during a sales call? Some of you would say 1 hour, some of you would say 30 minutes, but ideally it gets built up in the initial 5 minutes. So how to build your trust faster and quicker during a sales call? Let's talk about that. Number one, and the most important thing that you need to do while building trust is to use NLP technique of mirroring, which says that you need to match the tone, pace, body language of your prospect. If your prospect speaks very loudly, increase your pitch. If they are calm and soft, reduce it. Match their body language. Do they take up more space while sitting? Do they lean in front while sitting? You need to follow all that. Number two is you need to eliminate the decision fatigue. How? Before you go for any sales call, you need to Google about your product and services, and you should be aware of whatever negative reviews, good reviews, whatever is available about your product or services on Google, so that when the customer talks about it, you can filter out the non-relevant information and help them making their decision quicker and easier. Number three is bring up bad experiences. As per the article by the Psychology Times, it says that there are few people who cannot trust others easily, and this is innate because of the trust issues with their primary caregivers. So there might be people who are not able to trust you easily, and they would share a lot of bad experiences with you. In that case, you need to empathize with them, but don't convert into a convincing, pushy salesperson where you just keep on convincing them that we are not going to do this, we don't do that. You need to empathize with them and understand what brought them here. If you follow all these three tricks, trust me, you will be able to build trust very, very easily during a sales call.